Oh, hi everyone. Oh, I'll tell you what, I've had a bit of a week. I know I had the shed chat, but I actually did that a week ago because I've had COVID all week. So it's been a bit of a, I've lost a week, I think. Never mind, these things happen. I think it definitely was COVID. It's spreading in the school. I mean, it's a place where it's likely to spread. But hey ho, I'm better, which is the main thing. Yeah, well, guess what? I mean, the seedlings are growing, and it's really weird, but I don't think I've got any slugs or snails. I mean, that's a bit odd, to say the least, because the allotment was overrun, and I am a bit wary about bringing back, you know, when you're bringing something from the allotment to here, I really don't want to bring slugs or snails or eggs, if I can help it. But come and have a look at the seedlings. I don't know if you can even pick them up from this out, from here, but that's the rocket. Let's get her going closer. Yeah, and this is the, oh, what variety was it? Oh, it's there, I've got it. Hold up. Oh. What was that? Lettuce butterhead, that's it. Oh, just put that back. So the idea is today, oh, I did actually mark out where I'm going to put the pond. It's kind of gonna, can you see that on the camera? Hopefully you can. Just dig out. It won't be massive, but that's fine, because yesterday I was just kind of clearing this area here, and there was a frog or a toad. Now what's the difference? I don't actually know. It was quite small, but it was underneath some of the foliage, and it just hopped across and went under the hedge. But it's a good sign, because my neighbours have got a pond, so you never know. They might have they might actually have frogs. I'm not sure. I'll have to ask my neighbour. But anyway, I'm going to start lining out or digging out the second bed, which is going to come here. I can't even see what you can see. Hold on. Right. Hold on, what can you see? There's the path. This strip here is going to be another bed, and then a path next to it. And I've already got wood chip and cardboard, if I actually get that far, where I could put a path down, but we'll see. So we're going to just start digging up that strip. Yeah. It's been weird when you have COVID, because you run out of puff really quickly, so I'm not sure how far I'm going to be able to get, but I'm going to do my best. All right. Yeah, let's crack on. See you in a bit. Well, I'm quite pleased I managed to do what I did. Here's Rosie. Hey, Rosie. She's a good girl. The irony is I managed to forget I did the pond string and I've kind of trampled on it. But once that's dug, I'll probably fall into it. I don't know. But I don't know if you can see that. progress. It does need clearing. I can't do that on top of what I've just done. I've marked its position, that's the main thing, and I've also tried to empty some of the soil onto the path. I mean, hopefully you'd have seen all that, but I need to sort of kneel down and pull out whatever I can. Oh, and the blue plastic, that I can see in space places, so I need to extract that. So that'll be the next, probably tomorrow morning, maybe, hopefully. As in, I'll be doing it, whether it'll go out tomorrow morning, it'll probably be the next day. But I'll try, because it is a shop morning on it's the Monday morning. This is probably not going to go out on a Monday. You know how it is, you've got to edit and all that kind of stuff. But that is actually, I did make it a bit bigger actually. It is progress. So, and obviously as I creep towards that end, I'll deal with it. But if I'm making beds, I can plant stuff. Oh, that's why. Because I've got 4 courgette seedlings that I will put in this bed, which is great. And some of you asked about sunshine, like when do I get it? And I think from 10 AM it's full sun from where the seedlings are, the lettuce seedlings, right through till in fact that gets the sun till quite late in the evening because of the sunshine. The sun sets sort of opposite it, but obviously this side would be in shade from a certain point in the late afternoon. It gets a decent amount of sun, the whole area. There's a lot of clearing actually needs to be done over there, which is probably soon. I'll probably start have to deal with that soon, as in, because the next bed I'm starting to encroach over there. Yeah, it's all progress though, isn't it? And look at the state of this. Oh, and I've lost, I think I've left it in the shed, my other mug, but this, you know, use this one instead. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, clear it, and luckily get the courgette seeds in soon. I am amazed about the slug snail thing. I really am. I mean, is that normal? I just thought everywhere had slugs and snails. Crazy. But I'm looking forward to digging the pond. That would probably be a task that will happen very soon as well. Oh gosh, I hope you can see all right, because I've got no idea. Let's, Rosie, come and say hello, please. Come. There's a good girl. Go and sit. Wait. You're going to say hello to everybody. There's a good girl. Hold up, I've got coffee in my hand. Come here, Rosie. He's a good girl, isn't he? You're a good girl, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're a good girl. Okay, go on. Oh, and the other thing I was going to say, I've got email alerts for the sheds, you know, like Gumtree and Facebook Marketplace. So that's good. Just hopefully, maybe when the summer starts to wane, I reckon that the prices might start to drop. So I'm not expecting to get one soon, but if one comes up and that's the right price, I'm definitely going to hopefully get it. I need to put some money aside for shed project, I think. And the likelihood is we'd probably put the shed opposite where if you could see those pink flowers, the hollyhocks, which I'm amazed I've got. I didn't realise, but that's technically, to the left of that is all pavement. There was a shed there before, or a greenhouse, so it's got the footings, if you like. That would be really good. The fruit trees don't have any fruit on them, which is odd. They did, I don't know if they flowered, but maybe it's their second year or first year, or they were very small when we first moved in. Right. Got to crack on. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I did want to say, and if you're still sticking around, you might be interested in this. I've noticed I've got a couple of prints. Do you remember the art print I did of plot 25? I'm putting it here. I've got 2 prints, so the first 2 people who comment on the next vlog will get it. The first 2 people who comment, because I have 2. So if you watch the next vlog after this one, whoever comments first and second, they'll get it wherever you are. Doesn't matter. So yeah, that'd be quite nice, wouldn't it? Anyway, off I go. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Me and Rosie will see you on the next one, won't we, Rosie? Hey? Yes, we will. Bye. She's a good girl.